struggle. She will struggle. Give this country what they struggled in the Bush War. I was one of them. Why is it?
Man from Uganda, very furious with the Uganda government because the government is treating people so merciless. I don't know why nowadays we have leaders who don't understand what mass means in their hearts. We only have Ibrahim Traore, who was, I don't know, was brought as a vessel to deliver or to transform Burkina Faso. Anyway, that is not our point of concern. There is a question here, mathematics question. Find the circumference of the latitude 70 degrees south. Then question A is in kilometer, then question B in nautical miles. I'm a teacher and I really like this profession of teaching. It's only that we are experiencing frustrations from the government. We are not being very much recognized with our profession. But now when you get such a kind of a question, where do we start from? Just to find the circumference of the latitude 70 degrees south, first in kilometer, then in nautical miles. I always encourage students, when they find any question under longitudes and latitudes, in CBC we call a topic a strand, but if you find a question under a strand, longitudes, latitudes, the first thing is to sketch the earth. In geography, we know that the earth is spherical in shape, so we can sketch just the earth like that, so that we can have, this is now prime meridian, and then we have the equator. They are both at the 0 degrees. Then the question is, find the circumference of the latitude 70 degrees south. So it means we have this circle here, which is 70 degrees south. Good. Now, we all know that the radius of the earth is always 6,370. And this is the radius of the earth. We can just have a triangle like that one. So this one is a right angled triangle. So we can have this one as angle theta, and this one is our angle theta. And this angle theta is 70 degrees south. So when you look at this, this is the center of the earth. So this is a radius. Also this one is a radius because it is coming from the center to the end, to the circumference of the earth. So that means we have got 3 radius here. 1, 2, then the other one here. So we have 3 radii. So using this diagram, it can really help us to get the radius of the smaller circle. So this is the bigger radius. And this one also, it is a bigger radius. Now this one becomes a smaller radius. So from the concept of Pythagoras theorem, we can use this SOHCAHTOA. This SOHCAHTOA can help us to find the small radius of this circle. Of which, now that we have the hypotenuse, which is the greater circle radius, and this small radius becomes the adjacent. So we have the hypotenuse and the adjacent. So it means we are going to use the curve, of which it is cos theta is equals to adjacent, which is small r, over hypotenuse, which is big R, our radius. Now, from this, definitely we can deduce that the small radius, we can remain with it just from this side, then we take this one to the other side, so that it becomes R cos theta is equals to R. So from here we can get this small r. Now R is equals to R, of which the radius of the earth is always 6,370, which is now 6,370 times our theta, which is 70 degrees south. 70 degrees. We can use it is cos 70. Cos 70 degrees. So when you calculate this, 6370, 6,370 times cos 70, so you end up getting an answer which is 2,178.67 kilometers. So that is our radius, the small radius. Now that we have the small radius, so we can get the circumference, our circumference of the latitude 70 degrees. So we can go ahead and get it. Circumference is equals to 2 pi r, our small radius, which now is equals to 2 times 3.142 times the small r, which is 2,178.67. So if you work out that one so carefully, so correctly, you end up getting 13,690. 13,690.75 kilometers. So we've answered our first question A. The answer is 13,690.75. So let's look at question B now, in nautical miles. Question B in nautical miles. We know that where the relationship between kilometer and nautical miles is 1 nautical mile is equals to 1.853 kilometers. Now we want to convert this answer into nautical miles. So what of 13,690.75 kilometers? So what are we going to get? So if we cross multiply, we find that it is 1 times 13,000, 1 times 13,690.67 divided by 1.853. So if you dial it into your calculator, you will end up getting 7,398.43 nautical miles. So that is the final answer for our question B. So it is a very easy question and a very easy topic. And if you have any question, you can comment down there so that I will look at it, then I will answer it in the next